Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Ginalyn Agcalis Abawag. I'm 38 years old. I'm a single mother with one son, 17 years old. I have a experience here in the Philippines, 13 years, in one employer. My duties is taking care child age 4 years old, and also cooking, cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing. I hope you will hire me as your maid. I will promise that I won't disappoint you. Thank you, ma'am, sir. See you in Singapore.